that is what we got. So next we will time the engine, or we'll get this to where it's at the 12 o'clock position, so we can take off the passenger side tensioners. Then we'll rotate it to the 5 o'clock position, take off the driver's side, and then we will install our new oil pump. Two pickup tube bolts will be here. They are not easy to get, especially the back one. Then you got two 8s that hold it in, and then you have a 9 right here, and then a 13. Then once those come apart, just literally slide it right off. So yeah, we got our oil pump out. I believe it's a T30 to take it apart. So we're going to go grab our T30 and we're going to take it apart, and then we'll be throwing in our boundary crank sprocket and our, there we go, and our boundary oil pump gear. Kind of hard to do with my hand. So yeah, those will be our oil pump gears, crank sprocket, and then we'll find it. We got Lucas assembly lube. We'll be putting it on there, the oil pump gears. Put a little bit on the crank sprocket, and we'll put some on the oil pump itself. So let's go grab our Torx bit and we'll get back to work.